In the Philippines, there's such a rich dessert culture. And speaking of rich, one of my favorite desserts there, Tocino del Cielo. Now think crème caramel meets crème brulee, but even richer. And so I'm taking that inspiration of that richness and creating my own version. So like crème caramel, I'm going to start by caramelizing some sugar. I'll pour a little water in the bottom of the pot, and I'll add 100 grams of sugar and a little bit of lime juice. The lime juice here isn't for flavor, it's actually to keep the sugar liquefied as it's boiling. You want to caramelize your sugar on high heat without stirring and occasionally brushing the sides of the pot with water. That way it won't crystallize. I have a baking dish and 6 little ramekins. A reminder, this is a rich dessert, so a small portion is all that's needed. And I'm just looking for that light amber color, not a rich, deep caramel color. Carefully, because it is very hot, spoon a little bit of the liquid sugar so it completely covers the bottom of the ramekin. This caramelized sugar layer adds flavor, it adds a beautiful shine, and it also becomes a built-in sauce when you turn out the dessert. When you appreciate a deliciously made Tocino del Cielo, it's all about the eggs. So for such a small dessert, 4 egg yolks. And for the sweetness, I thought I'd combine richness at the same time by using condensed milk, 125 ml. I'm gonna pour that right in. Oh, you know that's going to be creamy and good. A little bit of lime zest. I find whenever I smell or taste lime, it does take me back to Manila. Oh, those gorgeous Calamansi limes. I can never get enough of them. And I've measured out 45 ml of fresh lime juice. And that balances the sweetness and the richness of the dessert. And lastly, just a splash of vanilla. And now I can pour it into each ramekin. The ramekins are in the baking dish, so I can surround them with a water bath, boiling hot water that is actually a gentle way to cook these custards. Because of their size, they only take 15 minutes in a 160-degree oven. There we go. After they come out of the oven, you want to pull them out, let them cool to room temperature, and then chill them for about 3 hours to set. And once they've set, they are ready to serve. And of course, we have to show off the caramel that's hiding underneath. And there. It looks dainty, oh, but that has so much flavor and a beautiful richness. Let me pour a little of that caramel.